guys, I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today I'm gonna share one of my favorite summer recipes. So I've been making this salad for a couple of weeks now, pretty much every day or every other day. It is very simple as most of my recipes, and it is made of cabbage, grilled corn, carrots. I'm going to tell you the ingredients: radishes and red onion, and then the dressing. But today I'm going to show you two different dressings. One will be with apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and olive oil, and the other will be with little Asian flavors. I'm going to use ginger, toasted sesame seed oil, and rice vinegar and cilantro. So in the lemon juice and olive oil version, I'm going to use, for herbs, I'm going to use dill, this beautiful dill. And for the Asian version, I'm going to use cilantro. So it's all about the efficiency. I'm going to start cooking my corn, kind of charring it. I was going to do this video outside on the grill, but it's still so bright that I just cannot wait. So easy thing is, like, you can do it faster, much faster than on the grill. So while they are charring or grilling, I'm going to start slicing and getting ready the rest of my ingredients, my cabbage. And of course you can use the knife, but I like this mandolin because it gives me nice thin and even slices. Okay, I need a better angle. And the cabbage flies all over, so you at the end you make a big mess. But we always do, right? Alright, I started grating my carrots. Meanwhile, oh, that's beautiful. So if you want to flip that and you're burning your hands, you can always turn them down and then turn it around and then turn it up again so that you don't burn your hands. I'm going to grate the carrot, so you can always use the food processor. Sometimes most of the food processors have those blades with slicer and grater, but I'm just gonna do it by hand. Okay, just because I have radishes, I'm just gonna use it. You don't have to. Sometimes I use, like yesterday I used asparagus. I had some beautiful asparagus from the farm and I used them and they were perfect, so I sliced them here on the mandolin and they were great in the salad because it gave this beautiful green color, and the radishes added their crunch and the beautiful white and red, and corn of course, and red onion. So it was just beautiful balance of colors and textures. So that's what I like in this salad, because it's just so beautiful and texturally interesting. So you can slice those, or just, I'm just gonna toss it like that, and that will be pretty. I like using red onions in the salads. You can use scallions, like yesterday I used scallions and they were perfect. And just give it thin. Okay, that's it. Perfect. Okay, there. Toss it in the bowl. And now we can divide this into two parts, into two bowls. Let me just mix this first. Just toss lightly, because we're gonna do different. Oh, actually I can add corn first and then I will separate them, because I'm gonna add different dressings and different herbs to get this different flavor. Get this beautiful char that will give really nice flavor to our salad. So when you cut the kernels from the corn, they tend to fall over, so it's always good to break it in half and then cut them off. Just add a little bit of salt, and using your hands kind of lightly massage to your salad, so that every ingredient is well mixed and incorporated. Look how pretty it is. Beautiful colors. Add black pepper, which is empty, whatever you have. And let's divide our salad into 2 parts so that we have different flavors. So which one do we want more?
Asian.
Asian? Okay. So that will be Asian, and that will be kind of Mediterranean with lemon juice and olive oil, right? Alright, I have 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. Gonna add about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Very tangy. I like it. Sometimes in my dressings I use soy sauce, but because this is a white salad, I don't want to use dark soy sauce. That's the only reason. And this is pretty strong, so I'm not gonna use too much, maybe 1 teaspoon. Oh, smells so good. Toasted sesame seed oil. I forgot to mention. Almost. Very strong. Actually, I'm gonna add another teaspoon. All right, that will be good. And sometimes I just add like neutral oil, like canola oil or some olive oil, not the one that we use for salads. That doesn't have like much flavor. So we already salted it and added some pepper. We can always add some red pepper flakes because I feel like in Asian flavor we need a little bit of spice. So just a tad, 1/4 teaspoon. And you can always use like something sweet, like maybe a little bit of maple syrup or agave, but I'm just gonna stop here, okay? That's it. Oopsie. That's it. And you can use your hands to mix it well, but I don't want to use my hand right now, so I'm using this horrible small teaspoon, but it's still good. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, that smells already fantastic. So I'm going to taste it and see if I need to add any more seasonings. I hope it's good, even though it's past 7 p.m. It's okay, I'll have a bite. All right, let me check it. Okay. So this is actually with this dressing I'm making for the first time. Usually I make with olive oil, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. But I thought this morning, I'm like, hey, that will be interesting, so why not? Ginger, sesame seed oil, and cilantro, perfect combination. I love it. I have 1 lemon zest and juice here because I don't have too much here, about just 2 cups. I'm gonna add maybe 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar because I don't want too much, and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll see if I need, I can add more. Okay, that's perfect. Should be good. Oops. And pour this over. Ah, beautiful. And do the same. Mix it. We can taste this one now. All right. All right. So that will be our lunch for tomorrow, right? So good. Lemony flavor. Lemon zest is the key, guys, and vinegar. I can eat this salad every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's so good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode and you learned something, and if you like it, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next week.